Here I have a Blackberry KeyOne, and let me show you how to grab a screen on the following device. So let's start with the first method, as Blackberry offers you two of them. Firstly, for example, let's open the wallpapers if you would like to show your friend how beautiful wallpaper Blackberry offers. Just open the settings, go to display, wallpaper, and now if you would like to show, for example, this one, just tap on volume down key and power key all together and hold them for about 2 seconds. So just do something like that, and now your wallpaper has been captured, so you have a screenshot of this wallpaper, and now you can share it, you can edit it, you can delete it, or do whatever you want to with this screen. Let's go back to home screen, and now let's go to the second method. So for example, let's show someone that you have no plans in your calendar, and now you can capture it by opening the upper bar, then find and select take a screenshot icon, and simply by tapping on it you can grab a screen. So that's it, this screen has been captured. And now if you would like to open it, just go to the gallery, to photos, and here you've got your screens. If you would like to share it, to edit it, to delete it, you can do it with them from this menu from photos. So that's it, thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.